Happy Easter traders. We got Netflix. We made that top. Yes, this is the bull. Now, $634. We have a 3-day reversal. We hit a low, trader. Yes, we did at 601. $600 calls come into play. We do have a daily sell signal. That's the only negative. But let me tell you the positive. Right here, we'll have that trend line drawn. It goes right back over here where the gap started. Yes, it did. And then we have this long-term consolidation before we broke that new high up here. And then we really put the highs in, and that is a 3-day reversal. Once again, this is one of the bull market leaders. Netflix has done extraordinarily well. We will be trading the options on Netflix. How to buy the dip. Oh, yes. And when we get down here, we take a look right here at that $600 call. You heard me. April 12th, that's 12 days out, $600 call. The low was 1091. Trading the options, the setups, join our live trading room, join with Tommy Trader, get that live entry, get the exit, get to stop, get the risk management, take the emotion out of trading, put one step forward and do what? Change. So, how to buy dips. We're below the 10-day and the 20-day. That's the first time that we've seen that in a long time because the 10-day has been trailing upward. So once again, how to buy the dips, how to buy pullbacks, how to get paid. Join that live trading room. Don't hesitate. Click on that link.